I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable derivatives trading on Kraken, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create a login to your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and either log into your existing account or create a new one. Make sure you have completed the necessary verification steps for trading. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. This is where you can manage your trading options. Step 3. Enable trading features. In the account settings, look for the trading section. Here, you will find options to enable various trading features, including derivatives. Make sure to toggle the derivatives trading option on. Step 4. Complete additional verification. Depending on your location and account type, you may need to complete additional verification steps to enable derivatives trading. This could include providing financial information or answering questions about your trading experience. Note, if you see a message about needing to submit documents, make sure to have your ID ready. Step 5. Start trading derivatives. After enabling the feature and completing any necessary verification, you can now access the derivatives trading section. Look for the derivatives tab on the main trading interface to start trading. Now you're all set to start trading derivatives on Kraken. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy trading!